For our little fish, we'll be using 3 balloons. We've got a white 5-inch round that I've inflated to just about an inch. Cut the nozzle really short by the knot so we don't have much left over. Got a lime green 160 with about a 5 to 5.5 inch tail on the end of it. And then a yellow 260 with also about a 5-inch tail on the end. We'll start with our 260. Make a little small 1/2-inch bubble on the end. Grab the knot, make that into a pinch twist. Make another 1/2-inch bubble and make that into a pinch twist as well. So that we now have 2 pinch twists on the end of our balloon there. Now we're going to make a little fold twist using about 1.5 inches to 2 inches of bubble. So we get a little fold there. And we'll need another fold twist the same size on the other side. Just fold it over and twist it. These will be the lips and cheeks of the fish. Now I'm going to twist about 1.5 inch bubble. And then about a 5-inch bubble. Now, you don't have to hang on to this, but it helps if you can. You can let go. We can find that in a minute. And we're going to come back and make about a 3/4 inch bubble. Make that into a pinch twist. Another 3/4 inch bubble. Make that into a pinch twist as well. Now put that twist back up in here because we'll need to measure. Now you want to make that where you get a triangle so that you can bring this back up and hook it into where these ear twists or pinch twists and fold twists are. So a bubble will bring it back up to there. In this case, about a 3.5 to 4-inch bubble. Twist that in around that to secure it. And then we're going to come back and retrace our path that we just made. We straighten those up. Or we just went up, and now we're going to come back and make another bubble the same size as that one to come back to these double ear twists on the back. Twist into that. Any excess you have left over, remove. Secure that in there. And there's the beginning of our fish. Now we're going to take our lime green, make a little small, maybe a 1/2-inch bubble there on the end. And again, we're going to make this into a pinch twist. Make another bubble about the same size, pinch twist that as well. Now we're going to take those 2 pinch twists, and we've got this twist at the top here. Twist those into that, so bring 1 pinch twist on either side, cross them over to lock them in place, and then position it 1 on each side. So we're coming out the top here. Now I want to make about a 2.5-inch bubble, maybe a 2-inch bubble, a little shorter. Make a little 1/2-inch bubble, make that into a pinch twist. Now what we want to do is we want to make a string of pearls coming back till we get to a point just above these ear twists. So, little small 1/2-inch bubbles. So we're just above it. And now we're going to take and make 1 more. Make this last one into a pinch twist as well. And then make about a 3/4 to 1-inch bubble. And then bring that down and hook it into that double ear twist on the back so that we now have our dorsal fin on the back of our fish. Now you want to make about 1.5 inch bubble, a little small 1/2-inch bubble, make that into a pinch twist, about a 1-inch bubble here. And you can make this whatever size you like. If you want a bigger tail, you can make it a little bigger, it doesn't matter. We'll make it a little bigger. About a 2-inch bubble, a little 1/2-inch bubble, pinch twist that, and then another bubble the same size as this one. And then bring that back up in to the base of those ear twists. And that makes our tail. Now what we have left over here, you want to take and lay along and figure out where you'll come about to the midway point of this bubble here, which will be about there. Twist a bubble on that. Make a little 1/2-inch bubble. Make that into an ear twist. Now with what's left over, make sure it's soft. grab the very end of the nipple here, bring it back up to that ear twist and twist it around a time or two to secure it so that you have this loop now. Take that loop, find the midway point, and just fold it in half so that you get two smaller loops to make his bottom fins. And then take this piece leading up to that and just sort of wedge it up in between those two there to hold that bottom piece in place for his bottom fins. And if you push it a little further through, that's okay. That'll help it secure into place. Now we're going to come back to our 5-inch round. The knot on the bottom, push it up into the middle and twist it into two smaller bubbles about the same size. Now we want to come through from the back of, this is our head, there's our cheeks and our lips. So come in here, and then it helps if you go down around the bottom and come up, back up over to secure that in place with one of them. Once you get them both to the front, cross them over to secure them. Position his cheeks. Get his two lips in the front so that his face is like that. You may have to come back and straighten this up. And we'll give him a couple of eyes. There's the face of our fish and a side view. And if you want, you can take a couple of uninflated 1/60s with just a puff of air in them, hang them down from here to give him whiskers for a catfish, or take the end of a 1/60 and have it coming out from here to make him a swordfish. A very handy little fish. It can do a lot of things.